This is Stockholm, the city where aesthetics are a way of life. This is the capital, not just of architecture, but also of the world's most striking beauty. They are tall, bright-skinned, self-assured. But is this beauty just about blonde hair and blue eyes? Or is it a reflection of a spirit of independence rooted in the Vikings, an egalitarian society, and an endless longing for light? Get ready. This is not just a trip, but a 15-minute quest to uncover a secret. Stockholm, a metropolis built on 14 islands, where water and light intertwine. This is a place where design and functionality permeate everything, not just the buildings. And this appreciation for aesthetics is naturally reflected in the city's people. Swedish women have been symbols of beauty, intelligence, and independence for centuries. But the main question is, how did this standard become such a widespread and universal identity? Is this merely a lucky genetic pool, or is it an achievement in social engineering? In the next 15 minutes, we will get lost in Stockholm's labyrinths. To understand Stockholm's unique beauty, we must go back 1,000 years. These people, descendants of the Vikings, remained under the influence of geographical isolation for centuries. Harsh winters, short daylight hours. These conditions shaped a unique gene pool. Blonde hair, light skin, and blue eyes are adaptations that evolved to best absorb the diminishing light of the north. However, beauty is not just a genetic coincidence. This geography also gifted them a way of life. Lagom. The Swedish philosophy of lagom means not too much, not too little. This is an approach that seeks balance in every area of life, and this balance is naturally reflected in physical appearance. A balanced diet of fermented fish, rye, and fresh fruits that avoids excess. Natural nutrition that doesn't strain the body is part of lagom. No matter the weather, Swedes are outdoors. Nature is their gym. Kayaking around the archipelago, forest walks, and cycling in all seasons. This constant, low-intensity activity is the key to a graceful and healthy physique. Low stress levels. The belief that a well-rested mind is the foundation of looking good. Thanks to lagom, beauty is not about pushing oneself, but about taking care of oneself. Perhaps the most important secret of this documentary. In Sweden, beauty and power go hand in hand. Sweden is one of the world's most progressive countries in gender equality. This situation has radically changed the demeanor of women. A Swedish woman is valued in society as an individual, not as an object. Executives, scientists, politicians. Their presence in these roles gives them unshakable inner confidence. Outer beauty is fleeting, but the confidence that comes from knowledge and achievement is lasting. This is what truly distinguishes the women of Stockholm. Swedish fashion is the embodiment of their perception of beauty. What do they choose instead of luxury and extravagance? Minimalism, functionality, and quality. Fashion must adapt to the weather and daily life. A Swedish woman is stylish yet comfortable enough to jump from a meeting onto her bike and go to the market at any moment. This aesthetic approach is also reflected in makeup. Instead of heavy makeup, a simple approach that highlights the skin's natural glow is adopted. This is the message sent to the world. My beauty does not need to be hidden by makeup. Sweden has produced countless beauty icons that have influenced global culture. From the classic elegance of Ingrid Bergman to the supermodels of modern times, they have stood out not only for their physiques, but also for their intelligence and determination. These women are role models. They give society the message: to be beautiful is also to be smart, educated, and socially active. Stockholm is literally a lesson in aesthetics. The city's architecture reflects and feeds its people. Sharp lines, natural materials, plenty of light. In Sweden, people place great importance on keeping their homes and environment clean, simple, and organized. This visual order creates mental peace. This peace and order naturally have a positive effect on people's posture and energy. Beauty is not just a face, it has become the aesthetics of living space. At the end of our 15-minute exploration, we see that Stockholm's secret to beauty is not dependent on a single genetic factor. It is the perfect combination of four main elements: genetic inheritance, the lagom philosophy, social equality, and aesthetic environment. The women of Stockholm show that being strong is being attractive. Their beauty is not an external imposition, but an inner enlightenment. A warm elegance stemming from the cold, an aesthetic crowned by self-confidence. Stockholm is not just the country of the world's most beautiful women. It is a capital where beauty is lived as a philosophy of life. Light shines here, minds open, and beauty finds its strength